Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. 7 SUVs to avoid buying in 2025 series. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out, but if you're all caught up, let's jump right into the next batch of vehicles you should be wary of. Depreciation issues with the Audi Q7. Similar to the BMW X5, the Audi Q7 loses its value relatively quickly. Audi is known for producing premium vehicles with great driving dynamics and luxurious features, but this comes at the cost of depreciation. After a few years, owners often find themselves losing significant value when trying to sell or trade in their Q7. If you're focused on minimizing the impact of depreciation, you may want to explore other options in the same price range that have better resale prospects. Lack of long-term durability in luxury SUVs. While luxury SUVs can provide superior comfort, high-end features, and advanced technologies, some models struggle with long-term durability. Here are a few that have received less than positive marks for reliability over time. Premature wear in the Lexus RX. The Lexus RX, known for its luxurious feel and strong reputation for reliability, has shown signs of premature wear in certain components, especially with its high-end models. Issues with the suspension system, interior materials, and electronic components have been reported more frequently in recent years. While Lexus generally enjoys a great reputation for durability, the RX's luxurious options might be prone to wear faster than you might expect. It's important to keep this in mind when buying a new or used Lexus RX for long-term reliability. Engine and transmission issues in the Mercedes-Benz GLE. The Mercedes-Benz GLE offers a truly premium experience, but some models have had issues with their engine and transmission, leading to costly repairs. Problems with the 9-speed automatic transmission and occasional engine misfires have been reported, particularly in the early models of 2025. Given the high cost of parts and labor at Mercedes-Benz dealerships, repairs for these issues can be expensive. If you're considering the GLE, be sure to check for any recalls or service bulletins related to these concerns. SUVs with lackluster towing capacity. If towing is one of your priorities, some SUVs may not meet your expectations. While many claim to offer towing capabilities, not all SUVs live up to their promises when it comes to heavy loads or long-distance towing. Underperforming towing in the Ford Bronco. While the Ford Bronco is known for its off-road capabilities and rugged design, its towing capacity falls short of some expectations. With a max towing limit of 3,500 pounds in certain trims, it might not be enough if you plan to tow larger trailers or boats. If you need more towing power for your adventures, the Jeep Wrangler or Toyota Land Cruiser may be better alternatives. Disappointing towing capacity in the Nissan Murano. The Nissan Murano is a well-rounded SUV that offers a comfortable ride and a stylish design, but when it comes to towing, it falls short compared to its competitors. With a maximum towing capacity of just 1,500 pounds, it struggles to handle even small trailers or heavy loads. If towing is a critical factor for you, you might want to look elsewhere, as the Murano's capabilities will likely leave you disappointed. Costly parts replacement for the Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse is another SUV that's known for having high maintenance costs. One of the main issues with this vehicle is the cost of replacing parts. Imagine having to pay over $1,000 for a new transmission or engine. It's a hefty price tag, and it's not something you want to deal with. Some Chevrolet Traverse owners have reported issues with the vehicle's engine, transmission, and drivetrain. These parts can be expensive to replace, and they may require frequent repairs. Some common issues with the Chevrolet Traverse include faulty oxygen sensors, worn-out brake pads, and malfunctioning catalytic converters. These issues can be costly to repair, and they may leave you wondering if the SUV is worth the investment. What would you do if you had to pay thousands of dollars for repairs every year? SUVs with poor fuel efficiency. When shopping for an SUV, fuel efficiency is a key consideration. You don't want to be stuck with a gas guzzler that breaks the bank every time you fill up. Some SUVs are notorious for their poor fuel economy, and it's essential to steer clear of them. So, which SUVs should you avoid due to their low MPG? Let's take a closer look at a few models that are known to be fuel hogs. Low MPG in the Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner is a popular SUV, but it's not exactly known for its fuel efficiency. With an estimated 16 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway, it's one of the least fuel-efficient SUVs on the market. Imagine spending over $1,500 per year on gas alone. That's a lot of money that could be better spent elsewhere. If you're looking for an SUV that won't break the bank at the pump, the Toyota 4Runner might not be the best choice. What are some other factors you should consider when looking for a fuel-efficient SUV? Some things to think about include engine size and type, transmission type, driving habits, and maintenance costs. High fuel consumption of the Land Rover Discovery. The Land Rover Discovery is another SUV that's known for its poor fuel economy. With an estimated 18 mpg in the city and 24 mpg on the highway, it's not the most fuel-efficient vehicle on the market. Imagine driving a vehicle that costs over $2,000 per year to fuel. That's a significant expense that could be avoided with a more fuel-efficient SUV. Some Land Rover Discovery owners have reported issues with the vehicle's engine and transmission, which can also affect fuel efficiency. If you're in the market for a new SUV, you might want to think twice about the Land Rover Discovery. Can you afford to shell out thousands of dollars per year for gas? Consider the following costs: fuel prices, maintenance costs, repair costs, and depreciation. SUVs with outdated technology and features. When shopping for a new SUV, you want a vehicle that's equipped with the latest technology and features. But some SUVs on the market are still using outdated systems that can make them feel like they're from another era. What happens when you're driving a vehicle that's lacking in modern infotainment systems or driver assistance features? It can be frustrating and even unsafe. Let's take a look at a few SUVs that are still using outdated technology and features. Lack of modern infotainment systems in the Ford Edge. The Ford Edge is a popular SUV, but its infotainment system is still using outdated technology. Imagine trying to navigate through a complicated menu system just to change the radio station. It's annoying and distracting. The Ford Edge's infotainment system lacks modern features like touchscreen functionality and voice command. It's also slow to respond and can be frustrating to use. If you're looking for an SUV with a modern infotainment system, the Ford Edge might not be the best choice. What features do you look for in an infotainment system? Some things to consider include touchscreen functionality, voice command, Bluetooth connectivity, and a navigation system. Insufficient driver assistance features in the Hyundai Santa Fe. The Hyundai Santa Fe is another SUV that's lacking in driver assistance features. Imagine driving on the highway and not having features like lane departure warning or blind spot monitoring. It's a safety concern. The Hyundai Santa Fe does offer some driver assistance features, but they're not as advanced as some other SUVs on the market. For example, it lacks a 360-degree camera system and adaptive cruise control. If you're looking for an SUV with advanced driver assistance features, the Hyundai Santa Fe might not be the best choice. What driver assistance features are most important to you? Some things to consider include lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.